Here's a problem related to rendering videos inside Vegas Pro 16. I open my own project file, the VEG file, and basically I cannot render it because the program will crash. So here's the render button, render as. I clicked on it, the cursor changes, it's rotating. Soon after that it is not responding, and after that the entire screen turns to white and then the program crashes. Okay, so let's wait until those show up. Yes, it's white already, and then it will crash. And here it is, Vegas Pro has stopped working. Okay, so let's close the program and let's see how to fix this. Okay, so let's start the program once again, Vegas 16. Okay, once the program opened, open a file explorer window and go here to view and check hidden items. Okay, after checking hidden items, return to Vegas, go to open and open a project that's in the C drive, and program data, that's a hidden folder, that's why we enabled hidden files. So program data, Vegas, not Vegas Pro, Vegas, then not 16 but Vegas Pro, and here 16. Okay, and sample project. Now open that VEG file, sample project VEG. Open it, and after it loads, now if I press that render button, now it will work. And it's working for this one, and it's working for our own project also. So let's just try it. Press on render as. Yes, the window is here, render as. It's not crashing. Now let's open our own project, which is in the documents and that one. And after it opens, this render button will work. So render as, and voila, no more error messages. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.